Welcome to Dynamic Foundry Group. Today we are going to see a small video on charge cost control and optimization in ductile iron. So why charge cost is so important? We all know the cost involved in the melting is almost 50% of total cost. So any saving here will definitely help organization to make good savings and help to improve upon the profitability and contribution of the foundry. Ductile iron charge mix includes CRCA, agent boring, agent runner riser, and agent rejection. So we are going to see a first case where CRCA is 300 kg, agent runner riser are 225 kg. So total charge is 525 kg, and we have alloy cost as 3,160 rupees per heat. Now we change CRCA is 450 kg and runner riser 75 kg. So from 57% of CRCA and 43% of runner riser, we have changed to 86% of CRCA and 14% of runner riser. The cost go up to 4,161 rupees per heat, means almost 1,000 rupees extra. So considering the casting yield of ductile iron is 60 to 65% and rejection around 7%, we can almost use 40 to 45% of riser and rejection in the ductile iron heat. If you use all this rejection and risers for ductile iron, then we can save or reduce addition of graphite coke and ferrosilicon in the furnace. This will reduce almost rupees 1000 per heat if you use 40 to 45% of riser and rejection per heat. If you are not using this 40 to 45% of riser and rejection per heat, we are piling up the inventory of the riser and rejection, and simultaneously we are also increasing our cost by around 1000 rupees per heat, which is a huge amount at the end of the day and end of the month as well. Now we are going to see a second case study where we can save the charge cost in ductile iron. Here we are going to see the effect of higher grade runner riser used for not used for that particular grade, or using higher grade runner riser of AGIN for the cast iron. If you do that, then what will happen? Here we can see the first slide where CRCA and AGIN runner riser is 300 and 215 kg respectively. Same thing is done in the second slide as well. The only change here you can see is the copper, the last column where the copper is there. You can see the copper percentage is 0.1% and the manganese percent is 0.25% in the first slide. So the cost of alloys, the addition of copper and manganese increases. So the cost of alloys is 3,039 rupees per heat. Whereas in another case where the manganese is zero point 0.5 and copper is zero point 0.5, so higher grade runner risers are used for higher grade of ductile iron production. The addition of copper and manganese reduces, so the cost of alloys come down to 2,541 rupees. So you have to use grade-wise risers for ductile iron. Say you have a 603 grade, then you have to use either 500 bar 7 or 600 by 3 grade risers for the manufacturing of 600 by 3 grade castings. This will reduce your consumption of manganese and copper alloys, which is which will be saving almost rupees 500 per heat, which is a huge again. So 500 rupees per heat, if you go per day or per month cost, it will be a huge saving for you. So this is case number 2 for saving charge cost in ductile iron. Now we go to another slogan, which is again I am sharing with you. It has been shared with you a number of times, but again sharing it to you for your ready reference. Do not add carbon at the end. Instead of adding carbon, keep some CRCA or MS scrap aside and avoid late addition of coke. So it is very important to avoid late addition of carbon to get better efficiency. So this is from my side. Thank you very much for patient hearing. Hope you have understand this video and will be implemented soon. So thank you.